We are playing at home and the team is in high spirits. We won our last game, so we still have that confidence to go and finish the last game on a high note. And it's not only about finishing on a high note, but also to prepare for the coming AFCON as well, and to know how best we can coordinate with each other. Of course, the positives are there. There are a lot. We try to play combination play with each other, to keep the ball to ourselves more, and have that confidence to pass to each other and dictate every part of the game. Of course, there will be some mistakes, but of course the positives are there. It's as I said, we just have to work hard and keep on improving in the way we combine with each other. And the best thing is the coordination. The best we coordinate with each other, and the best we get to be stronger as a team. I think, as always, they should come and give us support. We need them. They are always there to encourage us and give us the added energy to win a game. I think the team worked hard. Throughout the game, we defended well. We tried. We had some good moments in the game, and I think it was necessary for us to score a goal in that time.